Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Authenticator for Kucoin. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Kucoin exchange. Once you have logged into your Kucoin, then you need to click on profile at the top left corner. After that, you need to select security option, and from where you need to select Google verification. After selecting, you need to click on this confirm button. Now you have to verify your 2FA Google Authenticator old code. So simply open your Google Authenticator. Now copy your KuCoin code and paste it here. After that, here you can see it will auto generate you a new setup key of new Google Authenticator. So simply copy this private key, minimize your KuCoin and open Google Authenticator again. And after that, you need to click on this plus icon again and click on enter a setup key. Now paste that key in the UK section. Code name KuCoin 2 and click on add. After clicking on add, you need to copy this code also. After that, open your KuCoin and click on this next button. And after that, you need to verify your new code in this section. And after that, you need to click on this activate button. Here you can see my Google Authenticator has been removed successfully. I did a new one. And that's it. Now you know how to remove Google Authenticator for KuCoin. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.